going on, guys? My name is Noe Guillen, and I am a Collision Drumsticks artist. Currently, I am based in Los Angeles, California. I am currently the drummer of the band Catch and Release.
Everything will come to light. There's nowhere left to hide. Ooh, it comes to light.
And I also currently play for my friend Samantha Stone.
Wake up and go, I know we gotta leave now. Get off the 101s out on the eastbound. I just wanna get away, go and make a great escape.
So these are just the 5B. They have my little signature on them. They're black, pretty. The black ones are actually a little lightweight compared to the natural wood ones, which these are great if I'm playing in lower volume situations. And since I'm getting older, my wrists aren't that great, so these are perfect. So 3 things I absolutely love about being a Collision Drumstick artist is, number 1, the support. I can call my CEO at any point and have a full-blown conversation with Carlton Banks. Number 2 is the Collision Backstage program, where you get to meet a bunch of drummers from all around the world, actually. It's not just in the UK or the United States, it's global. So you can connect with different artists, you can learn different things from other people. Things that you've been thinking about learning that you can't find on YouTube, you can learn from another artist. Very last thing I love about being a Collision Drumstick artist is the expansion. We are currently expanding to new product lines, bringing in new stick sizes, which is incredible because as drummers, we have the most gear and we need the most options depending on what you're doing. Like I said, I play a 5B, sometimes I'll play a 5A, a lot of times I play a 7A when I go to church. Just because I'm so heavy-handed, a lighter stick makes the world of difference. Now we currently have rods, we have brushes, we have apparel, we have gold drum keys. What more could you want in a company? Come on. So the video you're about to watch is one of my favorite songs of all time. It is Fly Me to the Moon by Frank Sinatra, but it is actually remixed by C. Rue. So it should be a fun time. Hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Destroy Redefine. Same thing on Facebook. See you guys soon.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. Let's bring on